Hey, what's going on, guys? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, it is time once again to put down another video for you guys. You know what time it is. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, before I get into that, don't forget to help me on out with my YouTube channel. Yep, you see on the bottom, 161 subscribers. We're looking for 1,000 within 6 months, so definitely spread the word, and also smash those buttons for me. That's right. Number one, you can like the video. Number two, subscribe to the channel. And number three, hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, or go live, you'll be right there rocking and rolling with me. All right, let's get into it. Time for my hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker FB, everyone's favorite social media platform. That's Facebook. That's right. Facebook had earnings after hours just a few hours ago, in fact. And guess what? Here are the key numbers. What Wall Street was expecting: a revenue, $21.08 billion, up 25% year on year from $20.89 billion. That's right. Earnings per share, $2.56, up 8% year on year as $2.53 predicted. Monthly active users, 2.5 billion, up 8% year on year from 2.49 predicted. And daily active users, 1.66 billion, up 9% year on year from the 1.65 billion predicted. So they did rather well. They beat the earnings, but obviously not by enough because the stock dropped a bunch, and it may be because Facebook's net income growth is slowing down. That's right, up only 6% in quarter four 2019 year on year compared to 61% growth in quarter four of 2018. Also, revenue growth was at 25% down from the previous years. Yes, Facebook stock has had a huge run, and investors were hoping for even faster growth, especially in the US. Bottom line, more a function of the recent run-up than fundamental issues with the print itself. Richard Greenfield, partner at the Lightshed Partners, said Facebook's expenses also grew markedly in 2019, up 51% across the entire year to $46.7 billion, up from $30.9 billion the year prior. In the same space of time, revenues grew by 27%, up $70.7 billion. Expense growth has been outspacing revenue growth for several years at Facebook, however. Before the markets closed Wednesday, Facebook stock had been trading around $223, and right now, am I looking at the charts? It's at about $207, so definitely down about 16 points. That is bananas crazy, and they beat earnings, but I think there is concern that they're spending too much money to grow and won't be able to keep up with it. But as always, as technical traders, we got to look at the charts to see what's going on. With my hot pick of the day, the ticker FB, that's Facebook. Here is Facebook's day today. It actually ran up all the way and closed at 223.23. Had a little pop, as you can see, on the earnings anticipation. Then this big drop all the way down to like 205, and then just hovering at this 207 level, which is the 50 SMA on the daily. In fact, let's go to the daily chart so we can get a little bit more perspective on what's going on with Facebook. Let's see. See, 207.35 is the 50 SMA on the daily. As you can see here, I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader, so what I did, I fibbed this last leg up from 160.84 to 208.66, and the projected price target was about 228. It only hit about 224.20 and was on its way to this 228, which it probably would have hit and beyond if the earnings did well. Well, the earnings did do well, but the sentiment brought it back down all the way to this area right here, which is the 50 SMA at about 207. We definitely want to watch this level, and let's take it to the intraday chart to get more perspective on that. Here we go. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart, I fibbed from this 203.20, the last breakout area, all the way to this 225, which was the recent high, actually the high for today. And you can see it's almost back down to this 203.20 breakout area, which is a key point, because if we look here, this 203.20 is an important level. As you can see, if we go back to the left side of the chart, it was a resistance here back in December. It had a double top, pulled back to this 194, and then pushed up. And also back here in July, it was having trouble breaking above this 203 level. It did spike up one day and then come shoot right back down. So we definitely want to watch this 203.20 level. If it cannot break, this yellow line is the 50 SMA, and sitting at about 207-ish. Fibonacci retracement is 207.88. So we want to look for a test and a fail of that, and then it could bring it down to 203 and maybe take a bounce from there. If it snaps this 203 level, oh boy, it's going to be in trouble. It's definitely going to test $200 for sure, and who knows how low it can go if this bear sentiment kicks in. All right, let's take a look at the 5 minutes for a little bit closer look with the same retracements. Here you can see this 207.88 level, like we said, and this 50 SMA, which is kind of holding it down. It's just kind of consolidating right under it for now. So we got to see what the price action takes it later on in the after hours today and the pre-market tomorrow, and we can take a judge tomorrow morning and take a look at what we want to see from that. But definitely, if it can't break this 207.88 or this 50 SMA, look for the test of this 203.20, like we said, which is a big support for Facebook. And if it snaps that, we could see it at least testing the 200. On the flip side, if it does beat this 207.88 level, we could see a test of this 214, which is the 50% retracement level, and maybe even a test of this 20 SMA, who knows, at 216. But I don't know, it's dropping down and it doesn't look like it want to pop back up. So like I said, 207.88 is the key. If it breaks above, let's ride it to 214. If it breaks below, we could ride it to this 203.20 and maybe even $200. All right, real quick, real easy. That is my technical analysis on my hot pick of the day, the ticker FB. That's Facebook. All right, there you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker FB. That's Facebook. Now, don't forget, it takes a lot to put these videos together, guys, and all I ask for you guys in return is 3 clicks of your mouse. Real simple, real easy. All you gotta do is smash those algos for me. That's algorithms. Click number 1, like the video. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel, and click number 3, hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, new video, you'll be right there with me. It's all good. All right, 161 subscribers. We're looking for 1,000 in 6 months. Can we do it? I can't, but you guys can. Just spread the word. If you like the videos, share it with a friend, share it with 5 friends, 10 friends, and we'll be one big happy family. We call it Ohana in Hawaii. It's all good. All right, time for me to bounce off out the door. Yep, you hear the bell. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Time for me to sign on out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.